Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch export individual clips from Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's open a Premiere Pro project. This is the project that I've taken as an example. Suppose I need to export the clips from this project individually. To do this, go to File, then click on Project Manager. In the pop-up, make sure that your sequence is selected. In the Resulting Project section, select Consolidate and Transcode. Make sure that the source is set to individual clips. Click on Format and select QuickTime. Click Preset and choose a preset of your liking. You can also include frame handles if you want. Click on Browse and select your saving location. After you are done, click OK. Depending on your clip size, it may take a few moments to export. Now let's go to the export location. This is the folder we just exported. If I open this, you can see that my clips are exported individually here. One thing to note is that it's not going to export any motion effects, color correction, speed changes, or anything like that, so those will have to be reapplied the next time you use the clips. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.